Hi guys! It's festival time. That means it's the time to eat lots of desserts and mithai. I've combined the mithai flavors into my favorite cupcakes. तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं. We're going to be making super spongy and yummy cupcakes. First we need some maida. To this I'm adding some elaichi powder. So I'm just going to be mixing it up and I'll keep this aside. In a small little katori, just add some baking powder, some baking soda, a little bit of salt. Mix it and keep this one aside too. Now in a big mixing bowl, add some sugar and some thick yogurt. It's best to use the ready-made yogurt from the market. Mix it up really well. You can use a whisk to do this. To this add some vanilla essence, some orange zest. Orange zest is optional, but it gives the cupcakes a very beautiful citrus flavor. Now finally, I'm going to be whisking it up. Whisk it well so that the sugar dissolves properly, and second thing, there should be no lumps. Now I'm adding the baking powder, baking soda and salt mixture. You have to mix it and keep it aside for exactly 3 minutes. You have to be really patient here. After 3 minutes, you add in the oil, some saffron and the maida which has been mixed with the cardamom. Mix all of this to make a nice smooth batter. There should be no lumps, but at the same time you don't want to be over mixing the batter. So now my batter is ready, and now I'll be pouring it into my cupcake pan. I have lined it with some cupcake wrappers. Just make sure you only fill about 3/4, because if you're going to overfill your cupcakes, then it's all going to ooze out. Tap it a little bit so that it levels up. And now it's time to bake the cupcakes in a preheated oven. I'm baking it at 170 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. You can patiently watch your cupcakes rise. So here it is. My cupcakes are ready. I'm going to be checking it with a skewer. The skewer should come out clean. I'm brushing it generously with some milk. Brushing it with milk helps to soften the crust on top. Now it's time to make the frosting. I'm using some hung curd. This is really thick curd. To this I'm adding some sugar, a little bit of saffron which has been mixed with hot water. Whisk it really well. Soon after whisking, I realized I should use an electric beater. Just beat it until it's fluffy and light. I'm using regular sugar and not powdered sugar. Trust me, it makes a lot of difference. So here it is. My Shrikhand is ready. I'm going to be frosting my cupcakes with the Shrikhand. The beautiful thing about this frosting is that it's not overly sweet. It's not as unhealthy as non-dairy whipping cream. It's just perfect. I'm garnishing it with some saffron, some oranges, some pistachio, some dried rose petals. You can use any fruits of your choice. I'm also putting some mint leaves, and finally the silver leaf. The moment you put silver leaf onto any dessert, it does feel like a festival. So here it is. My cupcakes look beautiful. They're ready. And now it's time to serve these festive cupcakes. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this recipe and will make this very soon. Whenever you guys make it, please don't forget to tag me, that is Neha Deepak Shah. And happy safe Diwali to all of you.